Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom, and today we are out here with Polkadot. Really something bullish is happening here with this price. That obviously a lot of people are saying that Polkadot is dead, it's not moving, it's nothing, you know, this and that, but obviously I think this is where the opportunity is lying. First of all, when you take a look at this price at here off of its very bottom right, you can just see that, look, if you want to measure, it has just risen something like 150%. If you take a look around the market, most of these altcoins, they've done 8x, 700%, 600%, whatever the case may be, right? So which one has more opportunity, right? Obviously, a lot of people are considering selling Polkadot right now, going for those ones which have already moved, but I think that's either losing strategy. I've done it before, and I definitely don't think it's worth repeating the same mistake here. So I'm definitely going to be showing you why this whole thing is super bullish, and we are looking at price targets which are way higher than the previous all-time high here on the Polkadot price set right there. So to begin with, I mean, the project is really fantastic. We are anticipating the release of Polkadot 2.0, which is really going to make big differences, right? Definitely big changes are coming to the blockchain, right? They're making it even much better, right? Also taking a look at the developer activity, you can actually see that outside of Ethereum, there is no other cryptocurrency that has as many developers as Polkadot. So a lot of things are being built on Polkadot. That's really fantastic. So meaning that the development of this industry is also definitely going to be dependent on what Polkadot does. I would rather be in Polkadot knowing that it actually has a future in this market. Take a look at these things which have done more. I mean, we can talk about Arbitrum, we can talk about Avalanche, Solana. I mean, Polkadot has almost like double the number of developers that Solana has, and it hasn't moved. A lot of people are, you know, counting it out, but I think that is not the way to do. This whole thing is looking very bullish. It's really almost obvious that this whole thing is super bullish, right? Let's get into that. But before we do that, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread this video by delicately tapping the like button. It just helps the YouTube algorithm. People looking for Polkadot updates will now be able to see this video much more easily. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I want to encourage you to do so, really, because I do TA on Polkadot and a number of altcoins on a regular basis. And without me further running my mouth too much, let's get back into the price chart. So yes, I was just mentioning the Wyckoff accumulation pattern here, and you can already see that relative to this schematic that we have right here. This is the Wyckoff accumulation pattern schematic, and yes, you can already tell that we are somewhere right around these levels here. That is either the last point of support right here, or we can even call it the sign of strength. So we are really super close. I mean, just look left, we don't have much resistance here. I mean, the price could really start accelerating here and leaving a lot of people like really surprised, but especially with the narrative of Polkadot 2.0. I mean, it's going to build steam at some point, and the narrative is going to change. Obviously, you see that right now everybody's talking about Solana, talking about the tech as if it's the only thing that is existing, saying that it's killing it. And but I mean, these narratives, they change in a bull market, so just prepare yourself for something like that. We literally have not much resistance here looking left, and like considering where we are with the Wyckoff accumulation pattern here, we are expecting a huge rise off of this you know, trading range that we were in. We have been trapped in, going all the way to a specific price that I'm gonna just talk about in a minute right now. Yeah, we are gonna be taking a look at the market cap of Polkadot here, and you can see that yes, we also have you know, confluence with the price set and the market cap, meaning that there isn't much dilution happening, and that is also something that is very good, that there is no much dilution of our tokens being added into the circulating supply. So we are really good. We have been in this Wyckoff accumulation pattern for 645 days, 654 days, let me just say. And yeah, as I would always say, like after breaking the resistance, you just don't expect the price to move 20% up and then crash all the way down. It's really rare, to be honest with you. And even if the project is dead, I mean, because this is crypto and that there is a lot of volatility here in this market, volatility is our friend, you at least do a 10x. I mean, just take a look at this from this very bottom. A 10x would at least put the price right around something like you know, $35 or something like that in the very worst case scenario. So even in that situation, there is still an opportunity right there, but that's not what we are looking for. Obviously here, just, you know, having the background that we have got a fantastic Wyckoff accumulation pattern, we have got fantastic fundamentals here on the price, that we are looking at something like the 2.618 Fibonacci retracement level here as the next big price target that we are taking a look here on the Polkadot prices. So that will actually be something like about $135, bringing in something like a 14x here on Polkadot. And obviously, I mean, as we get higher to those levels, I mean, the risk gets much more, because at any point in time around those levels, the price can just turn, and the next thing you'd see is something like a 50%, 80% crash, right? So this is my main price target for this bull market, right? But if you are maybe thinking that, Polkadot really doesn't have much to offer here, I think that we can also take a look at KUSAMA, which is basically a sister chain to Polkadot. And I mean, this thing really, everything that is done, maybe not say everything, but almost all the things that are done on Polkadot are also done here on KUSAMA. It's more like a test chain, as I already said, but I think it has more juice when it comes to the price rising, because it really hasn't done much as well, but I think it has got like a better opportunity when it comes to returns, right? So taking a look at this Fibonacci retracement levels once again from the very top to the very bottom here, you can see, like, just to get back to the first Fibonacci retracement level for where the price is sitting right now, we are looking at something like a 250%. So yes, you may not like the returns on Polkadot, but if you still love the Polkadot ecosystem, this is one to look for, in my humble opinion. And eventually, if you manage to successfully break all through those Fibonacci retracement levels, taking a look at something like $400 to something like $460, once we clear those ones, we are looking at the 1.618. That will actually be something like $1,000 something here for KUSAMA, bringing in something like a 21x or something like that. So you can see that there is a better opportunity in KUSAMA, but then again, it's still Polkadot, right? So we love Polkadot, we love KUSAMA, right? Obviously, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't buy or sell anything because of anything I say, all right? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and then I'm gonna see you on the very next one. Take care, bye.